People need smarter and easier ways to keep their surroundings clean. Cleaning floors regularly takes a lot of time and effort. Even though cleaning robots exist, most of them are too expensive and not easy to use. Many require remotes, have complicated controls, or do not offer simple Wi Fi features. Another issue is that these robots are not easily repairable or upgradable as their parts are costly or hard to find.
That's why we developed Roomba, a simplified yet highly efficient cleaning solution powered by Arduino, Node MCU, and Soft IP. Its streamlined design avoids the complicated control systems found in industrial cleaning robots, making it far easier to use. Roomba's intuitive operation, reliable performance, and user-friendly interface make it more convenient and an appealing choice for everyday cleaning needs.
In the future, we plan to make our Roomba smarter, faster, and more helpful for everyday use.
Our future includes adding seamless cloud connectivity, also aim to integrate full voice commands and enhance autonomous capabilities, enabling the device to operate intelligently with minimal user intervention for a more convenient cleaning experience.